Hi, my name is Celaya. I'm from Ocala, Florida, and this is my Liberty Aid success story. I came across Jack McKeag's work about a year ago. I was just avidly searching. I wanted to broaden my understanding of the financial system and the debt hoax, and I feel completely blessed to come across Jack McKeag's YouTube channel. He has this amazing series. It's called Breaking Bank, and it just has a wealth of knowledge that I feel has really given me the confidence to progress with this work. So the benefits that I have received from Liberty Aid, I feel like this part is endless. There's so many layers to this work that I really feel like you can take it as far as you'd like to go. So in that aspect, I definitely feel like I'm in the beginning stages of this journey. But just to name a few, one of them being I definitely feel like I have a well-rounded knowledge on how to beat the banking system. The second one is I have been able to raise my person's credit score substantially. And the third option being my heartfelt appreciation for the trust and corporate credit package. These two together have been life-changing for me. It paves the way for a life of service. So once you're under God's authority, your actions have to reflect that commitment. So it gives you this opportunity to operate a business, doing whatever you're passionate about with the intent of service to others, all the while using these amazing ways to hack the money system. So if this work piques your interest, I definitely recommend it. It's debt relief for everyone under any circumstance. It not only progresses you financially, but also spiritually as well. So God bless your success and your relief from suffering. Thank you so much for watching, and Jai Baba.